Hey friends, this is Dazzling Sejal and welcome to my channel. Our favorite time of the year has arrived once again, and I am beyond excited to bring you this Christmas tree decorating video. I just love creating different themes and color schemes and really wanted to mix it up this year, and I'm just obsessed with how it turned out. Grab yourself something Christmassy drink to enjoy this video with. So let's begin. Here I'll show you step by step how to decorate a Christmas tree like a pro. Step 1. Decide Christmas tree theme and colors. Before you go shopping, you need some Christmas tree inspiration. Determine the look you want to achieve. Look through magazines and search through Pinterest, Insta or YouTube for ideas. Also decide if you want to add in some silver or gold accents. For this tree, I picked Candyland theme with bright metallic colors. Step 2. Gather Christmas tree decorating materials. First check from your collection what materials you have already at home. Collect wire ribbons, large and regular size ornaments, peaks, tree skirt or tree collar. And while shopping, stick to your color palette and style. It's easy to get off the track when there are so many adorable ornaments to choose from. You can also DIY some of them too as per your theme. For this tree, I made fake candies, drinks, cupcakes and ice cream cones. Step 3. Fluff tree well. To do this, I first make sure that all the branches are descended from their packed up position. Then I straighten each branch starting at the bottom and point branches in all different directions, taking care to fill any gaps. I work my way around the tree and in upward direction. Sorry, I do not have video footage for this step. Step 4. Light up Christmas tree. If your tree is already pre-lit, skip this step. If your tree isn't already pre-lit, I recommend adding lights to one branch at a time by starting towards the base of one branch and running lights up to the tip, and then back to the base and the same to the branch beside it. This way adds a lot of depth to the lights in your tree. Step 5. Add garland and ribbon on the tree. Make sure you use wired ribbon for your tree because it will be easier to bend in and out of the branches. I used 3 methods to add ribbon. First method is to take 2 different pattern ribbons and lay one on another and start with making 4 loops bow and add it to the tree top and then let it flow down slantingly and make another bow and again let it flow. Repeat this until you reach to the bottom of the tree. Add an ornament to the center of bow. Repeat on back side too, starting from the top, or else it would be bare. Then I took another set of 2 ribbons and followed same, keeping same distance from first wrapped ribbon set. You can use only one set if you wish. Now for the second method, I took 2 ribbons and layered them and cut a few 3 feet or 36 inches strips. Start with one end of the ribbon and just tuck it into the tree. Come down at an angle and tuck the middle part into the tree. Now come out again for the second loop and then tuck the other end back into the tree. Go from the top of the tree to the bottom, doing the same with each strip until you have some even distribution of that ribbon color through the tree. Keep adding strips to the back of the tree, but don't waste your time if the back can't be seen by others. And for the third method, take set of 2 ribbons and cut few pieces of 2 feet or 24 inches and lay them on each other and make loop, folding it to the halfway and tie it with fuzzy stick, and while doing it, add ornament too. It will add the extra touch. I folded ends of a ribbon in half and cut it to give it that sharp finish touch. For each ribbon method, you can use only one ribbon instead of using set of two ribbons. It's totally up to you, not any right or wrong method here. And I wrapped this Candyland theme garland starting from the top of the tree to the bottom. Step 6. Add a topper to the Christmas. You can make a big bow with all the ribbons you used to wrap the tree or use a star. Be creative with your topper. I used candy cane wreath with elf as a tree topper which I made myself. I will upload its tutorial soon. Step 7. Arrange ornaments on a Christmas tree. What makes a tree interesting is that it has varying sizes and shapes of ornaments, although they fit into the same theme. You are going to use those and possibly a neutral metallic silver, gold, rose gold, copper, etc. for your ornament colors. I laid down whichever ornaments I had for Candyland and Gingerbread theme and started with arranging big candies. I DIY'd many ornaments for this tree and I had so much fun creating them. I will upload tutorial for that too.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. To be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Step 8. Add some accents to your Christmas tree. You can do this by adding various peaks or snowflakes or your special favorite memory ornaments. I added peaks of bright blue and green color and added some bright pink peaks. Also, to make it more interesting, I coiled red and white fuzzy streaks and wrapped on pencil and took them out and attached them to the peaks. Step 9. Add tree skirt and under tree decor. You can add tree skirt which goes with your theme and can add gift boxes or extra ornaments in a basket or bucket or crib or holiday decor. I added cute peppermint print tree skirt and kept Baker Santa with cupcakes and cookies in his hand as it perfectly matched the theme, and also arranged cute teddy bears which I collected during holiday seasons over the past years. I have given link to some of the amazing Christmas tree decor in the description box. Please buy using that link. Now all done. Take a cup of hot cocoa and enjoy sitting around your tree with some holiday music or movie. Hope you like to connect with me as much as I do with you all. Happy holidays and enjoy every moment of the life. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.